Good morning, good day, wherever you are. It's Andy here from Winnie and the Whippets. I'm going to do a bit of a review on some indoor security cameras we bought off Amazon for only about £30. These are them. It's called the G2 3 megapixel home security camera. It's a pack of two. There is an app for it as well. You can download off Google Store, so you can get your phone to it. Pretty easy setup as well. It's all cloud based. Right, I'll go and open it up. I'll show you what they are, how they work. Now they're not rechargeable. These they are powered by a power bank or a USB 5-volt connection, but if you've got power banks with a long enough lead, you can also put a power bank somewhere. They also come with a base as well, which twists and locks. Now what I've done, I've bought off Amazon, bought some round M3 sticky pads, double-sided, so I can stick it obviously to the base and also onto the where I need them, on the roof or wherever in the motorhome. So they actually come up like that, twist and lock, and they secure actually, so they're really good. There is a SD card slot in there as well, you can probably just see it. So I put an 128 128 gig micro SD card in there. But like I say, easy to install. If you've got Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to your phone, then obviously you can look at the recordings you've got on there, but I've set mine up to the 5G Wi-Fi and it's great. You can log in off your phone through the app. Pan and not pan, tilt and zoom, they're just tilt and zoom. So no, they are actually, they are actually pan, tilt and zoom, so they twist that way and the lens moves up and down as well. It's all controllable from the control app on the app as well, so you can actually move the cameras around remotely. So these are pretty good, these. Let's say 29-30 quid from Amazon. Motion detection, night vision, two-way audio, 3 megapixel pan and tilt. There's also a siren on them as well, so you activate a siren, so if there's somebody in there who breaks into the motorhome, you can obviously on your phone see it, click where you go. And the again, motion detection, you can set all your parameters up that way. And cloud storage, I got these set up in no time at all. It took me about probably about 10 minutes, and they were active, set up on the phone and the app as well. I'd show you the app, but I don't know where my phone is. But yeah, these are great. These you want to drop onto Amazon, they're called the G2. Made in China, isn't everything. G2 3 megapixel home cameras. Galileo. Pick some funny names, don't they? But yeah, they're alright, they're great. So if you're looking for some cheap indoor cameras, a pack of two to put in your motorhome or your caravan, try these bad boys out. Catch you later. Bye. Right, this is part 2 of the video started earlier on today. CCTV cameras, so we can just keep an eye on the dogs if we need to nip out, or we have to go to a pub or something like that, and you know what it's about. But anyway, right, I've installed them. They are cloud based, so they're pretty easy set up. They're connected to the Wi-Fi router now here, so they're using 5G, and you can control them PTZ wise as well by the console, what comes on the app. But I'll just oops, so easy, that's it, turn that off. So this one's here. They are powered by USB, so we're using like a battery power pack, which is just down there, look, just to power it for testing. So you twist them off, they come off like that as well, so you can save storage. Little mount in there, and back on again. So yeah, pretty good actually. Just testing the work out. I'll get some footage sorted out and get it posted on. Right, laters. Oops, forgot to show you the second one. There you go, look. It's got infrared on it as well, so it's got pretty good night vision actually. It's not too bad at all. And they're only about 30 odd quid from Amazon, these cameras. Again, powered by a battery bank, and it's pretty easy to get them off. Again, you just gently twist it and away it comes. That's it really. But now, pretty good.